Guys, good day. Today we are going to discuss additional sample problem for chapter 2. I will read the problem. The horizontal rigid beam ABCD is supported by a vertical bars BE and CF and is loaded by vertical forces P1, which is 400 kilonewton, P2, 300 kilonewton, acting at points A and D respectively, as you have seen in the figure below. Okay, so bars BE and CF are made of steel with E equal to 200 GPa and have cross-sectional areas 11,100 square millimeters for bar BE and 9,280 square millimeters for bar CF. Okay. The distances between various points in the bars are shown in the figure. Determine the vertical displacement delta A and delta D of points A and D respectively. Okay. So first step in solving this kind of problem is we're going to draw the free body diagram. This is our step 1. Step 1, the free body diagram. So free body diagram of this problem is very easy to draw. So we are going to, all you have to do is to locate the forces and the directions. So P1 and P2 is already designated or have already sketched in our problem. So we have downward force 400 and 360 kilonewtons. For our support, bar BE and bar CF, we have this direction upward with the corresponding distances. So A is 1.5 from B, B 1.5 from C, and C is 2.1 meters from D. Okay. So after that, we're going to proceed to calculation. So this time, we're going to do summation of moment. Okay. So first is summation of moment at B. Summation moment at B is equal to 0. So we're going to assign counterclockwise or clockwise positive. So we're going to assign clockwise. So this is clockwise positive. So this is equal to negative 400 kilonewtons times 1.5 meters minus force of CF times 1.5, because this is 1.5 from point B, plus 360 kilonewtons times 3.6 meters is equal to 0. Since P2 is 1.5 plus 2.1 meters from point B, muna siya na 3.6. Okay? So solving this, so pwede rin siya nga inyo siyang shift solve sa inyong calculator. Kung kaya, if dili, pwede niyo siya algebra. Okay? So doing that, our force of CF is equal to 464 kilonewton. The next step is summation of moment at C. Okay? So again, clockwise positive. Summation of moment at C equal to 0. So we have negative 400 times 3 because at point C, the total distance from point A to point C is 3 meters. Plus, so since this is clockwise, force of BE times 1.5, since this is 1.5 from point C, 1.5 meters plus 360 kilonewtons times 2.1, since this is 2.1 from point C, 2.1 meters is equal to 0. Again, doing shift solve or algebraically solve this equation, masolve na to ang force of PE, which is equal to 296 kilonewton. So next step is we're going to apply the deformation deformation equation. Delta is equal to PL over AE. So shortening of bar BE, for bar BE. So as you have seen, ang atong bar BE, so maduot ni siya paubos. So shortening na ang ato ang pananamining na compress siya. So di wala siya na stretch kundi na shorten. Okay? So applying the formula, so our delta BE is equal to, our force of BE is 296 kilonewton. 296 kilonewton times 3 meters. Ano ang ibang unit? Newtons times 3 meters over our E is given, which is 200 gigapascals GPE, times area of BE is 11,100 square millimeters. So manipulating the formulas, so kabalo naman tanig mga convert. Then this is equal to 0.4 mm. 0.4 mm. Next is shortening of bar CF. For bar CF, still shortening yapon ni siya kaya na compress man nato ni compressive load man ang ato ang load. Again, apply the formula delta CF is equal to force of CF is 464. Then length of CF is given 2.4 meters over E is also given 200 gigapascals times area of CF is 9,280 square millimeters. So, atong i-compute ni siya, simply manipulate the units para ma-arrive taog mm nga unit. So, the result of that is 0.6 millimeters. Okay, so na-compute na nato. So, as you have seen, kung baba ni siya ato ang BE by 0.4, then ang ato ang CF is nibaba siya by 0.6. So 0.6 ang iyang pagbaba. So ang ato ang bar is mo incline ni siya in this direction. Okay? Mo pababa na siya in that direction. Ni-incline siya. Okay? So our next step is to draw the displacement diagram. The displacement diagram, this is our displacement diagram. Indicating the distances. So as you have seen, we have this, our total displacement at B is 0.4 mm. And for CF, this is 0.6 mm. Okay, so we know that this line is equal ang slope. Okay, so maka-form tao similar triangles. So this distance and this distance is equal, since ang distance nato from A to B is 1.5, B to C is 1.5. So kani siya is equal. Kabalo na tadi ang equal na siya. So kaning duha ka triangle is similar na siya. Okay? So kung ato ni siyang i-subtract ang deformation of BE minus deformation of A, meaning yung vertical movement, is simply equal to this, the difference of these two. So deformation of CF minus deformation of BE. BE. Deformation of BE. So after that, we are going to manipulate this equation to solve the displacement at A. So displacement at A is Mato ni siyang algebra. So kaning tanan CF ug BE transfer nato di sa left, ang ato ang delta A sa right. So then ato din ituyo. So same ra na siya. So matwice ang ato ang BE. So 2 times the displacement of BE minus displacement of CF. Then given maning duha ang BE ug CF. So equal siya sa twice of 0.4 times minus 0.6. Therefore, our displacement or vertical movement at A is 0.2 mm. Okay? So, nasolve na nato ni ang ato ang vertical movement at A. So, this time, ang ato ang concern na lang is kaning vertical movement sa D. Since nakakuha na tanga kini siya is 0.2, then since ang total ana is 0.2, so kani nga point is 0.2 po ni siya. Then kani nga point is also 0.2 since 0.4, 0.6, so this is 0.2. So kani nilang ato ang problema. So this distance, so kabalo man ta nga kani siya from this point up to this point is 0.6 na siya. Ni. So kani nga distance na atong problema. So what is this distance? This distance is equal to sigma at or delta at D minus 0.6. Okay? So applying similar triangles. So kani nga triangle kani siya similar ni siya ani nga triangle. So by applying the similar triangle theorem, so ma-compute nato. So kani nga segment divided by ani is equal to kani nga segment divided by ani. Okay? So solving for delta D, so we're going to apply the ratio and proportion. So apply ratio and proportion. So alpha D minus 0.6 over, so kani siya nga length ani nga triangle divide ani over 2.1 is equal to this triangle. So kani nga length 0.2 divided by kani nga length 1.5. So kung ato ni siyang i-shift solve or algebra, so ato mo-compute diretso ang ato ang sigma D, which is 0.88 millimeters. Okay? So mao ni ang pag-compute sa ato ang problem kung muna siyang situation. Okay guys, thank you. I hope na makadugang ni sa inyong knowledge. So